Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So what are we doing today? I think I'm just going to do a little bit of this, a little bit of that, some makeup, and I'm also going to try out by For You by Tia. It's a curl cream. I did a video on the gel. This is my fault. If you don't close it, you gotta remember to close it. I did a review on the gel before this video and I really liked it. I really liked how it came out. However, I am just not a gel person. I just don't like gel in my hair because I have naturally really dry hair. It's coarse. I have a lot of it. It's just like, hey, it's just so dry. If your hair is not as dry, you're going to love that product because it really made my hair look good. But as usual, the gel just sucked my moisture out. And I want to use the curl cream because I think the curl cream is more up my alley as far as needing that moisture. I need moisture. Me using the curl cream yesterday. I also filmed a makeup video yesterday, but that was a short. And some days I just don't feel it. I'm not feeling it, and you can see through the videos. I've wasted time. I'm like, I just will stop in the middle like I'm not doing this. Because like if I'm not feeling it, it shows through. Come say hi. Oh, what did you get?
I have pimples right now. Yeah.
I still like tropical smoothie so much better. Oh boy, the pain. He's a bad boy.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna go now.
Like, it's not cold. Do they use ice?
No, because you wanted water.
But put some ice in it.
Mommy. Okay. See ya.
I don't hate this place. I actually like them. They have good acai bowls, acai. I really like tropical smoothies. Banana chia. Anyway, back to the video. So, I'm going to do it a little differently today. Instead of you literally going over every second of me doing my makeup and my hair, I thought I would just talk about some of the products that I've been using and enjoying as I get ready with you guys to go to the Met game tonight. But I don't know if we're going because it's like thunder, although now it's sunny again. So, I don't know. It's been off and on with the rain. So, I just wanted to... I finally organized my makeup. It's not the prettiest, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. I had to give my son my office, which is fine. It was just where I was putting all my junk, my makeup and all that, so I had to make room in my office. I mean, I had to make room in my bedroom, and I organized it, and I really like the way I organized it, and I just hope I can keep it that way. Like, every time I want to put makeup on, I just grab one of these baskets that I picked up, Hobby Lobby. I just pick from concealer, brows, eyes, whatever, and then I come over to my mirror here and I do my makeup. And then I put everything back where it belongs. And I like that because it's neat and it forces me to put it back because I really have to stay organized. The air is on again. Sorry, I always apologize for the air on in the summer, but it keeps going off and on. And if I take it off like I used to, we all start sweating, so it's not worth it. I have already filmed a hair review on For You by Tia curl defining gel, and I liked it. I really did like it. It made my hair look really good. I'm not a gel person though, so for me it wasn't my favorite because I have very, very, very dry hair and it's coarse and I have a lot of it, so I need moisture. I need something with moisture in my hair. And if you saw that video, if you didn't, check it out. It's still a good product if you like gel. If you're not a fan of gel, then you might want to try the curl defining cream, which is also For You by Tia. And this is how my hair came out, and I love it. Again, it didn't look bad with the gel, only it didn't feel as soft. My hair, again, needs moisture. Look at how good this came out. Yeah. So let's go over makeup first, and then we'll talk more about the hair. One thing, if you're going to buy this, it twists open, which at first I thought was like the coolest thing. But if you forget to twist it closed and you put it down, especially if you stand it upward, it's going to be all over. So just a little side note, make sure you close that, twist it. First, I'm just going to go over some makeup that I've had and like just using up here and there, and I always go back to. I did film yesterday. I got some makeup from CVS. I've never heard of this brand. I probably should have looked into it more. I picked it up. I was like, I never saw this makeup before. I can't figure out the name. It's at Ulta. I got this at CVS. So this is called Uoma Beauty by Sharon C. I believe it says on there. It's hard to read it. I had to look it up. I didn't want to say it wrong. Like, you can't really see it, it's so bright here, but the tag looks like something I would print. It's like I never heard of it, but hey, I figured let's try it. So this is Ready Set Glow. This is a primer, and I did like it. I put too much on yesterday, which is fine because that's when you figure out how much to use next time. So this, I'm not a primer person. I don't know if I believe that primer does anything. Some people swear by it. My daughter does. I don't know. I don't get it, but I wanted to try it, so it did give my skin a nice glow. I used the perfect amount today. It gave my skin a nice glow. So even though my skin was already glowy, today I grabbed this. I would love to know what you guys think if you have tried Jones Road Miracle Balm. Do you think it's a miracle? I got tawny. It's in tawny, and that's the color that they, like, you do a test online to see what's your color, and that's the color that they said I should get, so I got it. And I don't know. I mean, it gives a nice glow, I guess. If you, it can even you out a bit, but I'm not hating it. But I don't think it's a miracle balm either. I don't love it. I don't hate it. I just don't know how I feel. How do you feel? So because I have been testing out some foundations the last week, you'll see videos. Some of them were just a bit on the cakey side, or just maybe because I haven't been putting foundation on, so I'm not used to cakey foundation or just foundation. So I did not want to use foundation today, but I did try this out yesterday. This is their Flawless Skin Perfecting Foundation. This one is in Honey Honey. It looked really good on. It really did. It just like, I just didn't want to use today extra makeup, so I thought that was really nice. It was a nice fit. So I skipped the foundation today, and I went right into concealer. I used this LYS Triple Fix Full Coverage. It's probably almost out soon, but I really have been loving this. And I did try to just do a spot concealer, but then I ended up putting too much on, and I just went in and used it like my regular concealer, which was fine because, again, I didn't have heavy foundation on, so I felt like I don't have a lot of makeup on, so it's fine. For bronzer, I did my usual. I went in with my NARS. I just love this stuff. Laguna Original. This is bronzing cream. Like, it's my favorite bronzer. Like, just for a natural look. You can do it low key. You can do it va-voom. You could do whatever you want with it. You can build it up. And I also have it in a darker shade. I think that's number 3. If you're into contouring, it just keeps my skin feeling so creamy and good. Blush, simple, e.l.f. I just love a simple little blush. I'm not a blush person. I never really was. Starting to use it more often. As long as it's not on the apples of my cheek and I don't look like a rag doll. I think the only blushes I have is the e.l.f. and NARS. Like, I have the cream NARS, I have the powder NARS, I have liquid NARS, I have the NARS Orgasm palette. NARS to me has the best blush, best shades. Just for a little, oh, I did use to get some even eyes here. I got my Angel Eyes True and Luscious. I use it all the time. I'm telling you, I'm telling you. Let's see who knows what that's from. If you know, you know. If you don't, just don't worry about it. This is Laura Mercier setting powder. I just always use it. I use it right on top of the Angel Eyes. I went in with this, and I think there's a lot of people who like to use colors in their eyeshadow, and if you do, then you're going to love this because these are really pigmented. They're bold colors that really work well on your eyelids. Again, it's just not my look, so all I did today, as opposed to yesterday, was go in with my Charlotte Tilbury, just natural, and then because I am going to the Met game, I went in with this color here. I don't know if it's blue-green. On your eyes, it looks like a dark blue. I am not a fan of blue on my eyes. I feel like I have enough with the blue eyes, and I just feel like it's too much of the blue, 70s looking. I like darker liner, so that's dark enough that I have my little touch of blue for the Mets. Oh, brows. I did use this, and I have to say I kind of like it. The thing I don't understand, now, I'm sure this is all for mostly little girls, but, you know, I'm in my 50s. Look at the size of this handwriting. I mean, look at the size of this writing on here. I don't even know if you're going to see it. Okay, there we go. Look at the size of this writing right here. Right here. It's ridiculously tiny. I can read it, but one and done. 2-in-1 brow styler. Okay, so it is a 2-in-1. You have the brush, and then you have the pencil, but what I like about this one is it's not just a brush. It's actually like, it's got product on it. And I really like it. It makes your eyebrows look really natural. I don't want to put more on me, but I kind of just like wiped it first on my hair turban because I didn't want to get too much. You know when you have too much mascara on at first? So I'm sure over time that'll work out. But at first, since it's new, it's a little clumpy, but I love it. I really like it. And then, because I do like the natural look, but I also like to have it manicured looking, it does have the pencil on the other side if you want to fix it up, which I fix up like right here only in the corners. That's about it. I'm trying to blend it together as best as I can. And I like this. I do. I liked it. I went in with my Lawless mascara. I've been loving that one lately. I think that came in a BoxyCharm, or is it Ipsy? Ipsy, sorry. But going back to the makeup from yesterday, I got is a lipstick in Fighter. They only had really dark shades. This was a dark shade, and it had a lot more red in it than I thought it would. So it is pretty, and it feels great on. It's just a bit dark for me, but I got it because I figured I'll just put my Milani gloss over it if I really like it. I didn't do that yesterday because you could see the color, but today I just went in with my Merit lipstick in Baby. When I was organizing my makeup, I forgot it. This was always with me, and I didn't know where it went, and it was with my other lipstick, but this is literally, besides Milani, this is my favorite, like, lipstick. My Milani is like a gloss. This shade, it's creamy. So there's the makeup. Oh, I used a Milani lip liner. I think we covered the makeup, and I will list those items below. Okay, I'm going to list all those items below. Hopefully they'll all be in my Amazon store, so it's quick and easy, because I just take, if I mention products in a video, if you go to my Amazon store, I'll put the link. It takes you right to that page where I compiled everything in the video into one list. So you don't have to like search them. They're just all in a picture, nice and neatly. If they sell them on Amazon, that is. And again, this is the For You by Tia Leave-In curl cream that I use. Smooths frizz and softly holds. This has flaxseed and Hemi 15. I believe the gel as well had, oh no, the gel had the aloe vera with Hemi 15. So if you didn't see that video with the gel, check it out. Again, didn't look bad, but if you're a gel person, you're gonna like that. I'm a cream person. If you have dry hair, cream is probably gonna work better for you, but look at how nice it looks. And do you see how it doesn't have a cast? Like the gel has more of a cast. Some people like that though. Look at those curls. Okay guys, I'll check in with you later because I'm going out. Again, it's off and on, so we'll see how well this works and the makeup stays, whatever. But we're not doing a review on the makeup. I'm just letting you know what I used. It's mostly the review for the hair cream. So I'm going to get ready. I'm going to finish up this portion, and I will see you in a bit at the Met game. in person, I look like Corporal Marx. I look like I'm wearing a wig. Okay, we are at the Met game. We're leaving because the Mets, and they're losing, right? Hair went up because, you know what, guys? It was just, my hair's frizzy. It is what it is, but it was a good product. Good product. Look at how big it is here. This is Citi Field. Shea Stadium's gone. All right, we're gonna go home now. We got a ride home. I'm trying to convince him to pass by my old house. But wait, look at we had a Cracker Jack box. We had a Cracker Jack box.